locators and the use of page factory. So we will be writing one more test on Amazon. So this is the Amazon site, and we'll go here, and under this we have this mobile computers. So we can call this one as hamburger. This one looks like a burger, right? So this one is hamburger, and then we can go to mobiles, computers, and then we can search for laptops or anything. These we can call as hamburger submenus. Okay, so when I click on laptops, it opens a page. So we just have to validate that the title of this page is not null, right? This is a simple test that we are gonna do. And there are people who keep headers on the base page. They have a separate page for headers, then they have, for footers they have a separate page, but we will consider this as the base page when we click on amazon.in. So this is the base page basically. Okay, so this one we will keep this as same page. Okay, and once we click on this, we are on basically on the same page. So this is one page, the sub menus and menus is one page, so we'll keep that there. Okay, so then now in the base page, in the main home page, we will create this element, right? In the hamburger menu page, so we can keep these elements and also clicking on them, right? And also we can go, and so this one is also based on a menu page. Okay, side nav you can say. So once you click on laptop, then we have a new laptop page. Okay, so let's update the URL. So I've updated the URL in my config.properties. Okay, and so we'll keep home page as one page. I've already written the code for this Amazon homepage. So this is class final. Okay, and we can make this public constructor. Okay, so we are initializing the elements. Let's see what happens if I make it private. I can make it private also. Yes. This is being no, we want to create object of this, right? So that's why we have to make it public. Okay, so yeah, this is the page that we have, and this is find by element, and we are just initializing this page factory.init elements driver manager. Here we put the driver. You can see here search context would be the driver that will be used to look up the elements, and page the web element list of elements. So these are initializing. Okay, this is this particular object. So okay, find element id is equal to hamburger menu. Let's inspect this, and we see that the hamburger has a ID, I think. Yeah, nav hamburger. Okay, so that I have defined over here. ID is equal to this private web element link hamburger, right? So we can click it directly like this, link hamburger dot click. So we are following page factory design. Okay, here we are using page factory. So and return hamburger menu page, because you click on this and then you go to hamburger menu page, right? So here we have yeah, this mobile computers, right? So this is a list of elements. Okay, what does it have? It has a div tag, and this text is there. Okay, so we will just go by the div tag, and then back to the we'll go to the parent of this. So how do we go to the parent is slash parent, or this forward slash parent, and this one this slash parent, and colon a we will put. Okay, so that is what we have done. Let's go to the menu page. and here also we have initialized the elements, and this one is the mobile, and I have initialized this, and I was initially clicking it in this way. Where is this? Yeah, I tried to click it in this way, mobile and computers, dot click, but it did work. So I have created a this JavaScript executor. Okay, so I'm clicking it using that method. So I have also created a method of that, but I can, we can use that as well. I'm not yet sure if it works, but we can check that out. Okay, so click mobile and computers. We want to click mobile and computers, and here we are clicking it. Once you have clicked that, you go to the all these. So you notice here, there are a lot of elements here. Dev tag is there, and this one, for example, power banks. So this one also has, power banks as method, right? So why can't we just use, why do we have to define everything like that? So we can define, we can define individually each element, and it will take about 20 elements, 20-30 elements it will take us to. So what we'll do is we will make the elements in such a way so that we don't have to put in so much effort. So this one is Lincoln mobile computers. And after that, what happens is this sub menu. Okay, so this sub menu I had defined. So I had put in the replaceable here. Okay, I had put in replaceable here. So what I did was I just replace this dot replace method is there. So what it does is it just replaces whatever value you put. Okay, I will show you what I had written it like. So let's go to the get path. So here I had done that, but now I put it in the get path utils. So I created a dynamic utils, xpath utils, and here I had created this method string xpath, string sub menu xpath title. Okay, text. So this is the text that you're passing, the xpath that you're passing, right? So over here the xpath is this menu page. Yeah. So in this we have this private string. We make sure this is a string. We're just making a xpath. So in the hamburger submenu, we are just modify. We need to modify it. So how do we modify it? We'll get a submenu xpath text, which will be this one text, the text that I showed you. Okay, and we want to replace it. So we use the replace method and replaced it with the value whatever you want to put. Because here, if you put laptops, it will come laptops. Okay, it will click on laptops, and it will give us the new xpath, which will be -a text, and here replaceable. This we are replacing with value. Value what we are giving? Value that we are giving is laptops. I will show you later on like how we doing it. So that we have to do in the test only. So here I gave laptops. Okay. So initially when I ran the test, see new Amazon, click hamburger, click mobile and computers, click laptops. So in click laptops also there was a method that I had made. Click laptops, if you can see, right? Like this laptop link, and then it was clicking it, right? There's no problem, we can do like this also. The problem is that we have to make all these. If there are 10 more links, I have to create 10 more methods. There's a lot of verbosity right there, so I'll just remove it. I don't need it. Okay, I'll just remove this method. Okay, so this we did, and then we thought, okay, let's improve it. So I thought of putting the replaceable thing. So once this is there, now what we do is, now whatever the dynamic xpath utils hamburger submenu, this is what we are giving here, right? In the xpath it will take the xpath text, this one text, and then we will put the value which is laptops, right? And then it will go here, the new xpath, it will driver manager get driver find element by dot xpath, and here we are giving the new xpath. It will click it, right? And laptop link. Now we will say where from this came. So I created this method click element js. Here we are giving element and string element name. Okay, and then we are scrolling to that element first, We are scrolling using the JavaScript executor. Scroll into view element, and we are scrolling. Okay, we are putting the log also there. So this we did. Okay, scroll to element name we gave. Here what we are doing is we are trying to give the js.execute script dot click element. So we are clicking the element that we are passing here. Okay, so simple. And I created a short wait of about 5 seconds. So that I'm giving here. Okay, somewhere. So that also we can do. Right. So we can make it private also. No. Yeah, we can make it protected. Yeah, protected is fine because it will be used within the methods. Okay, so we did that. So once we did that in the page test, you know what we did here, new Amazon page dot click hamburger dot click dot hamburger menu. See, we saw the laptops. Okay, I had put in the laptops. So now this will be getting replaced by the value that I'm putting. Here laptops I'm putting, right? In this method, only value is going. Default XPath it is getting from here, so it will be default. Okay, so that's fine. Got it. So now the problem was there was one more problem here. You know, so this had percent decreasable as hard coded, right? Here you can see it is not there, but there it had. See, percent replaceable was hard coded. We don't want that. So there's an option called string.format. Okay, so here string new path is equal to string.format submenu path text value. What it does is, so once you give percent s, you know, like you write my name is percent s system.out.println, you can write my name is percent s and comma you can put in the value. So if I write Prashant, so my name is percent s, that will be in the quotes. Okay, and if I put it in the string dot format, right, so it will print string dot, it will be my name is Prashant. Okay, so that's what we did here. I can also show it in the, okay, in the Java ID I can show you. I hope it has system.out. Okay, string dot format percent s. Okay, if I write, let's see what happens. I think there's some, because of two commas there will be two brackets. I think it should. Okay, so you saw, right, it's replacing this percent s with Prashant. So that's what we did there. The hamburger menu page, I just replaced this one with this percent s. So now it's simpler, right? So in the percent s, once you put, what will happen is it will just in this one hamburger menu page, right? If we go in the dynamic XPath utils, so we had this method. So submenu path is the default string that we have, and we want to replace, you know, we want to add a value of this, right? So this one also already has percent s, so this will replace it with this, and it will be new XPath will be returned. Okay, this is how we do it. So you can read about string.format and you will be able to understand easily. Click hamburger, click mobile computers, click hamburger submenu, data.get submenu text, right? Now you will ask from where submenu text came. So what we did was we had this Excel file, right? So I modified it and I have put in a value called Okay, so this one data sheet was there. In this, in the run manager, I had put it as Amazon test, right? This is the description, yes, priority yes, count one. In the data, I had put Amazon page test, execute is yes, I'm executing it in Chrome, and in the sub menu text, I had put in laptops. So in others, I had put in strings, that's why it didn't pick up. Okay, so from there it is picking some menu, and here we have given map strings in data. Okay, just so that it knows that it's getting it from there. Okay, and then data.get submenu text get laptop page title, right? Here what happened was the submenu text we are returning the new laptop page. Once it is clicking new path that contains laptops, if it contains laptops. So similarly we can put in more if statements, and if they are more like mobiles also there, computers there, so we can put and click on the element, right element over there. Okay, I've also put this link, so this will be useful, right? And yeah, more or less it's like that. And let's see if I can click it like this also. I can click and try next path, find element, right? So element we already have. What is the element? Web element. Link mobile and computers. Mobile and computers. Okay, so here we can just comment this out and see if it works. Okay, I'm running it. And here also in the testng.xml you have to enter the test. This name of the test was Amazon page test, as you can see there. Okay, Amazon page test. So make sure guys, you make sure that this is the name is same here, but keep it different, and make sure that in the Excel file you have this name, not this class name. Okay, but in the testng.xml you need to have Amazon page test, which is the class name. Okay, Amazon page test. So here we are running it. I'm not sure if it will run, but let's see, because I've changed the method, right? So all these methods are no, this one is yes. But you can check the code that I've written. So I think it failed. Okay, it is retrying that now. I think there probably issue with that click thing that we did. Five minutes wait is there, and it seeked, it scrolled, it's showing a bit odd, but it will click, and it clicked here, and yeah, it will get the title and see if it is not null, right? So it is there. It will close the browser after it has confirmed. I think it's taking a lot of time now. I don't know why. Yeah, the page has loaded, now it will close. Okay, so the report has come. The first one got skipped, and I think there was some error. We have the link is clicked, mobile link is clicked, the screenshot is not so clear, but it's fine. And finally we landed on the this page, and we see that it's working fine. And there was one error, right? So let's see what the error was. It says no such element, unable to locate the element. Parent A. Yeah, it was maybe not able to click that. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I think I have covered pretty much the flow. I just remove this one because we don't need it now. I just put it for the explanation. Okay, so string dot format is done, and then we were extending the base pages only everywhere. So I had expanded this short page, right? So short weight I had done, and click element using JS I have already explained. This is string element. We can also put in the weight strategy here, just like we have put over here. Explicit weight, perform explicit weight, and we can put in the weight strategy using by. Right here we are not using by locator, so that's why I have not put. Otherwise we can do, I think, because here with the by also
it's 1 o'clock.
Passing by locators, so we can make one weight strategy with the that also. So in perform explicit weight we are doing it with, right, by locators. We can make it with web element also. So here instead of the this until x element to be clickable, and here we can put that, right? So I think that is there. So I think that's it for this video. Anything else that we need to cover? No, I think we mostly covered everything. I'll just remove this. Yes, yeah. Right. Here also we have done with all this. We don't need it. You see, so much verbosity has reduced because of this. We don't need so many elements. Otherwise, we would have made so many elements. So we have reduced that. And here, I'll remove this as well. We don't need this. I was just put it for explanation. So yeah, we are using the sessions assert j library. So fetching the title from the get laptop title page. I think I didn't show you this laptop page, extends base page, and this has just one method because you're not doing anything here, right? So I think that's it for this video. And one issue with page factory is that if you don't, if you have to explain so many elements you have to put, right? That is one reason. Second reason is if you don't put this page unit dot elements, you will have null pointer exception. Right? You need to have a good locator strategy. So, and also make sure that prefer private over public every time. First try private, if not then protected, if not then public. Okay, that's how you should aim for the framework design. And I think that's it for this video. See you in the next one.